You know that one sneeze that feels like it took your soul and your Wi-Fi connection? Turns out, it kinda messes with your heart too. When you sneeze, the sudden pressure change in your chest can affect blood flow, which briefly alters the rhythm of your heartbeat. It doesn't stop your heart, but the pause or flutter, totally real. Kinda poetic, really. One sneeze and your body's like, dramatic reboot. So next time someone blesses you after a sneeze, maybe thank them twice. Did this weirdly comfort you or freak you out more? Let's talk about it in the comments.